Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best women's toiletry bags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lirim MDay Clear Toiletry Bag. Leonardo da Vinci said that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and when it comes to toiletry bags, we agree. In a sea of zippers and hidden pouches, the Lirim MDay bags stand out for their clear, one-pouch design. Touted as TSA approved, which means they hold TSA size approved bottles and are see-through, these work well for a weekend away. They're high quality with a strong zipper and coordinating stretchy handles. The Lirim MDay were the only bags that earned a perfect score on our cleanability test, meaning the blobs of mascara and foundation we rubbed into them wiped away completely. They come in 16 different colorways, so there's an option for every palette. However, we should mention that these bags are not large enough to hold a full bottle of shampoo, and they tend to emit a strong plastic smell when you first open them. Moving on at number 4, we have the Eagle Creek Pack It Quick Trip Packing Organizer. The Eagle Creek Pack It Quick Trip Packing Organizer is the same series as our favorite packing cubes, and this bag did not disappoint. This unisex-style Dopp Kit is one of the smaller toiletry bags we tested, but it still holds many items. At 3.95 by 1.24 by 2.17, we can fit an electronic shaver, toothpaste, hair products, and small beauty accessories easily in this bag. It comprises one main compartment with 2 side zippers for organizing your items better. This is a bag we actually use all the time at home as sort of an organizer in a drawer. It has one main compartment and 2 sides. It's just the right amount to separate often used versus rarely used items, so they don't get in the way. A single large compartment can sometimes be overwhelming and require an organizer bag inside, which we still use with this anyway, but conversely, some Dopp kits can have way too many compartments. When traveling, we love how its flat design means fewer items cover each other. The bag can sit on the counter without worrying about toppling it over while digging for items. Its water-resistant material makes it worry-free for keeping on the counter or stains. We could just throw it in the wash if anything gets on it. At first, we were a little turned off by how floppy the bag was, giving it slightly cheaper vibes, but it actually can be a positive in terms of flexibility when filling in those final packing gaps in your backpack or luggage. At number 3, we have the IQ Travels Dopp Kit. The IQ Travels bag is a no-nonsense choice meant for serious travelers. It comes only in black. We thought its oblong, utilitarian shape made it easy to fit in the bottom of our suitcases. Plus we liked that it was easily wipeable, and the black hid most of what stains remained. The IQ Travels feels high quality for the money, with smooth zipper pulls. Our favorite part about this bag is that it has 2 side compartments that flip open with storage for brushes, shavers, etc. Though we didn't notice it, some Amazon reviewers complained of a strong chemical smell coming from this bag. At number 2, we have the Expert Travel Hanging Toiletry Bag. The Expert Travel looks like a lunchbox, but we love that it unfurls vertically and completely. Similarly shaped bags on our list only unfold halfway. We were surprised at how well makeup wiped off of it despite its white lining, and it also lived up to its waterproof claims when we doused it in water. The Expert Travel has storage for every product you can imagine, although there are no specific straps for makeup brushes. It was resistant to any tears during our testing, and the zippers held firm when we yanked on them. Our only quality issue was with the handle. It's a plastic material that's meant to look like leather, but it doesn't. We were able to leave temporary dents in it with a slight press of our fingernails, and we can imagine it would get dirty easily. The Expert Travel is available in over 10 colors. And finally at number 1, we have the Yacht Travel Makeup Bag. The first word that comes to mind when we look at the Yacht bag is whimsical. With its curved edges, bright colors and polka dot design, it would make a fun purse for a little one. Like the Lirim MDay, it has a strong plastic smell when you open the package, but this will dissipate over time. Also like the Lirim MDay, it's one large pouch, but this one does have straps for makeup brushes. We love this bag because it's one of the most cleanable ones we tested. Plus, its dark lining hides mascara stains well. It's also got a smooth zip and is resistant to tearing. Some people may not like that much of the Yahtzee storage is in the lid, which could make it top heavy if you don't pack it correctly. There are also no plain colors available, only various shades of polka dots. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.